Hey friends, what's up? Thanks for stopping by Success with Buddy. Today's March 6th, 2022, and I'm back to you with some more content, another video. So, I have a couple of different direct mail opportunities I'm a part of. One is worldwide, one is US only. They both go from low ticket to high ticket pay, and I'm really, really excited about these postcard opportunities because, for one, they're converting and they're simple, they're easy. So I wanted to stop in, make this video because I know there's some people out there that are doing research on how to make money from home, or make an additional income from home, or making money online. Whatever the situation is, some people think that they're not capable of doing this, thinking it's too complicated and they don't understand it. But I want to reassure you guys, my mentor said something to me a while back that just really gave me an aha moment. And I was really having doubt about this, making money from home. And he said something that stuck out to me. He said that nobody is going to come to your financial rescue. So if you're like scared to make posts on social media, or scared to do videos, or you're scared to reach out to people to see if they're open to take a look at what you're doing, just remember that nobody is going to come to your financial rescue. So if they're being judgmental about what you're doing and they think that you're part of a pyramid scheme or you're doing a scam, then just know that, are these people paying your bills? Are they covering your car note? Or are they thinking about having dreams of being financially secure or financial freedom? If they're not a part of that, then you just have to eliminate those people out of your life. And I know it gets really hard because I was married. Actually, I am married, but I'm separated. My wife gave me a lot of shit about this, and it was really discouraging for me at times because I was so passionate about this. I just really, really had a lot of dreams for my family to be financially free and just be able to create a better lifestyle for my family. And that's all I thought about. That's actually, that's still what I think about. I want my kids to have a better lifestyle and better things in life. And I see a lot of people making that happen with these types of opportunities. So, it just gets really, really tough if you have a mate, or you have a brother or sister, a mom or a dad, or friends that try to bash you for what you're trying to do. Then sometimes it's hard to eliminate them, but you just know that you're not alone out there, and nobody is going to come to your rescue. You have to keep that in mind. And one thing that I listened to from Eric Worre is, he talked about, just having to talk with your family. Just like, let them know, hey, I'm going to go really hard at this for the next 90 days, and we have to be on the same page. I'm going to hit this really hard, and I'm not going to be getting as much sleep because I'm going to hit this hard. I mean, just communicate with them, let them know that you're doing this. That's if that's like a mate or somebody. But sometimes it's just, if you were dealing with somebody that had mental issues like I did, it's hard because, you know, my ex used to think that I was going online to talk with other women. And that wasn't even the case. That's the last thing I was thinking of, especially when this pandemic started. And because we did not know anything about what was going on with this pandemic. And when it first started, I really thought that this was like the end of the world. And I was out of work for a couple of months. My work got shut down, and it was just like I didn't know what to do. Luckily, my work was still sending me paychecks. I'm fortunate, and I'm a lot of gratitude for that. But I knew that if everything was going to continue to be shut down, there was just a matter of time before those paychecks were going to stop coming. So I jumped on the ball. I jumped on the phone. I started calling people up. I was calling, 200 leads per day for like a month and a half straight. I was going at it hard, just because I didn't know what was going to happen with all this. So just remember, guys, nobody is going to come to your financial rescue. Nobody's going to rescue you. Don't wait for that. What comes to mind is Captain Save-A-Ho. But I don't want to offend anybody out there. It's just nobody's going to come to your rescue. And there's all types of people out there that are looking for additional ways to make money. And some people don't think they're capable of doing this, but it's really, really simple. If you can mail out a postcard, you can put a stamp on a postcard and mail it out. That's all you got to do with this. You could do this offline only, but just keep in mind when you start off, you're getting 200 postcards and 200 leads. That's not going to solve your financial freedom problem right there just with 200 leads and 200 postcards. You're going to have to work out some type of daily method of operation, some kind of plan, some kind of strategy. How many postcards are you going to mail out every week? Maybe do 200 a week. That's 400 a month. And then when it comes to like getting the word out on social media, like Facebook, you don't have to be spammy. You don't have to sit out there and just throw your link out there. There's a lot of ways to reach out to people. Say, hey, I know you don't know me personally, but I see you're in Seattle. I'm actually looking to expand my business in the Seattle area. So listen, would you be open to take a look at what I'm doing to make extra money from home? If it doesn't distract what you're already doing? And if yes, I can send you a quick link. And if not, no big deal. It's that simple. You didn't mention the name of what you're doing. You didn't mention anything. You didn't give them a link. You asked them if they're open. And then if they say no, that's cool. You just move on to the next person. You're going to look for people that are like-minded like you. So for me, I'm looking for other single parents, other single fathers, or maybe other people that are Native American. I'm Native American, and a lot of people that were born on the reservation had grown up having a tough life. What got me into starting working from home is just having a tough life, having some tough circumstances. My daughter came down with rheumatic fever when she was 10, 11 years old. She had to have heart surgery. She had to have 2 heart valves replaced. And I had to quit work. I had to quit school just to be there at my daughter's side. There was no question that I was going to go to work and worry about my 11-year-old daughter having heart surgery 100 plus miles away. So I had to start doing some research, figuring out how to make money from home. And that's how I got into this journey. And it was just something that clicks with me. And I've been doing it ever since. So when it comes, you can do this by making videos, review videos. That's all you got to do is just look on your smartphone apps, look for a screen recorder. You can record your back office, or you can record the postcards, or you can, like the group that I'm part of, they have a lot of social proof. They have members that are getting their first commissions. You can share those pictures. You can share the compensation plan. People can come in at $100 and earn $70 per person. And some people are earning as high as $7,000. You're always going to be coded to your sponsor, so your sponsor is going to get 20% also. So yeah, like this is social proof. You have people that are sharing pictures like this. You can go out there and share them. I found a cool program where I just got to mail out postcards, and that I can make extra money by doing that. Anybody want to check out what I'm doing? Like and comment. something simple like that. I'm just trying to give you an example, guys. So nobody's going to come to your rescue. Just remember that when somebody is trying to make you feel ashamed of what you're doing, you know, they're not paying your bills for them. I also learned not to take, not to take any advice from somebody that I wouldn't change bank accounts with. If this person is working, 100 hours a week for a minimum wage and he's bashing what I'm doing, I'm not going to fucking listen to him. I'm not going to listen to somebody like that. It's just perception. You're people people like to see other people fail sometimes. They don't like to see them doing better than they're doing. So they'll try to bash what you're doing. This one, unlimited cash deliveries, is a worldwide opportunity. You can start free. So people out there saying, oh, this is a scam, try to bash this program or whatever, you can join for free and make money with this. You just got to share the link. $50 gives you 200 postcards, 200 leads. You can come in at any level between $50 and $10,000 and mail out postcards, earn money. You can do review videos like I'm doing, and that's going to be on YouTube forever. Put the link in there. Put your phone number in there. People want to know that you're a real person. And guys, friends, when you're making a video, it doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, if you have like some kind of script that you're going by, I don't even use a script. I just push record. I kind of have an idea that pops in my head, and then I just record, and then I go. So nobody wants perfect. I mean, if somebody's gonna do the perfect video where everything's flashy and all that, that gets intimidating. That just makes it look like this is impossible to do. I have to be perfect like you. I have to have all these special skills like you. I have to dress nice, or I have to be handsome or beautiful like you just to make money. That's not the case, guys. They just want to know that you're a normal person. People join people. I'm a single dad. I have 5 kids. I work 40 hours a week. I'm Native American. I've been married to a person that had mental issues. I had addiction issues back in the day. I'm a normal freaking person. I just want better for my family. I want better for myself. I want a better lifestyle for my family. That's what keeps me going. That's what pushes me forward every day. I'm going through a divorce right now. I'm a single father. I got all this stuff going on, but I just keep looking forward, not backwards. I'm not trying to trip backwards and let that stuff pull me back, because I want financial freedom. I want freedom. I want to not have to worry about bills. And, that's what a lot of people are striving for. So if you think that you can't do this, that's all you have to do. Have to know how to do is mail out a postcard. Put stamp on the postcard, mail it out. That's all you have to do. Or if you could make a quick video, make a video on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Make a drop card, postcard, flyer, classified ads. There's no limit to how you can get the word out there. There's millions of people out there that are just waiting to find that way to make extra money. And that might be the people that you could relate to. You're going to look for people that are like-minded like you. So I can't tell you who's going to be the perfect lead for you, because I'm not you. I'm not inside your shoes. So if you enjoy mountain biking and you have a group of people that are mountain biking, you're going to reach out to them. If you're into stereos and, stereos with bumping systems and you're a bass head, then you're going to go reach out to other people that are interested in that. If you're involved, or you have friends that are into muscle cars and they like building, doing mechanic and stuff like that, you're going to reach out to people like that. If you're a single mom, reach out to other single moms. So if you're watching this and you're thinking that this may not be for you, then you there are just a few things that you just don't know yet. This is simple. You can mail out a postcard. You can make money with this. So this is unlimited cash deliveries, worldwide opportunity. You get paid via direct deposit outside the US, money order, or pay in air. And you get your own back office. You get a replicated website, free replicated website. The back office, what I mean by that is you can track who signs up with you, who upgrades. They got some generic training in the back end and the back office of this. And the other program I'm part of, it's US only. And you can do it offline, totally offline, because there's no back office. You join that other program by snail mail. You send in the money to the admin, the founder of the program, and he sends you some information via mail. This program is a little bit more new school. You got a back office. You can track your stuff online. So there's a little bit of differences. The programs are similar. They pay similar. The pay plan is it's identical, except Unlimited Cash Deliveries has a higher ticket commission. You can get $7,000 per person. The other one is $3,500, I believe. It might be. I think it's $5,000. I think there's an extra level that's added on there. Don't quote me on that. So just know, guys, nobody's going to come to your rescue. And if you're thinking that this isn't for you because you think it's too complicated, it really isn't. It's simple. Just know that. But at the same time, this isn't for everybody. It's not for everybody. But if you put in the work and work it, it's going to come back to you. It's all it takes is some persistence at this. Be persistent at mailing the postcards out. Be persistent at making videos. Be persistent at posting on social media. It will reward you if you just keep going and don't quit. Don't quit. Napoleon Hill has a good story about 3 feet from gold. It's a good story. Look into it. It's on Think and Grow Rich. It's called 3 Feet from Gold. It's a part of that story about how a person was gold prospecting. He had all the tools, went and bought all the tools, and he was digging for gold. And back in the earlier days, digging for gold, and he thought that he failed, so he quit. Some other people they decided to buy his tools from him, and they knew a little bit more about prospecting for gold, and they actually used the same tools that he got, and they only dug 3 feet farther than he went, and they actually struck gold. So that always reminds me, 3 feet from gold. Just never quit. Imagine how that guy felt, selling all of his stuff, and then the next person buys his tools and then freaking strikes it rich by getting the gold. You could be 3 feet from gold. That's just an example. So to get started with these programs, the link is going to be in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My cell phone number is 360-728-4747. I have a cell phone funnel that I use for these programs. It's just a $10 funnel where you can share a phone number. It promotes your direct mail opportunities. And I'll put that link in the description also if you want to automate your business. Maybe you're already a part of these programs. It's just a way to automate your system, make a system for your business. So my Facebook link's going to be in the description. If you don't forget to add me before you message me, because otherwise the message is going to be hidden. So add me first, then shoot me a message. Just let me know that you see my video on YouTube, and we'll go from there. So at that, guys, March 6th, 2022. Nobody is going to come to your freaking rescue. It's going to take you. You have to put the work in. It's going to take you. It's going to take you to make that change for you and your family. Just remember that. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. Love you guys.